Hey there. Have you ever been walking to your vehicle on your lunch break, knowing that when you return, you're going to have a set of solenoids and some springs to replace on your Alvarado Full Height Turnstile? Today, we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. Today we're going to be changing an Alvarado Full Height springs and solenoids. These are both wear items that should be changed regularly. Alvarado recommends changing your springs yearly and your solenoids every other year under normal operational load. Both of these items could be potential fail points in your system. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Alvarado Full Height video, please click the link in the description. As in our other videos, the first thing we want to do is turn off the power to our Alvarado Full Height Turnstile. For solenoid replacement, please note and label wiring at the main control board. Once you have notated where the wires go, unhook the wires and remove the springs from the solenoid plunger. Lastly, remove the 4 mounting bolts that hold the solenoid in place. Installation is reverse of removal. Be mindful of wire routing to avoid any of the wiring interfering with moving components. This would be a good time to change your Alvarado Full Height springs out for a new set. Spring replacement is fairly straightforward. Change one at a time and match the new spring to the spring being replaced. Just note when changing the solenoids, get your spacing correct as it was before you took the solenoids off. Therefore, everything's still functioning, the lock arm's still moving freely, and the travel on the solenoid pin is the same as it was. After all new components are installed, it is time to power on and test the unit. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys. See you next time.